Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue north on US Highway 11 in the town of Gouverneur, New York, beginning at mile 193. We also continue on a concurrency with New York State Route 812, which runs 80 miles from the Lewis County village of Lowville up to the Canadian border at Ogdensburg, connecting with Kings Highway 16, or the Prescott Highway, in the province of Ontario. Something to note here is that a couple of videos back in the series, we diverged from I-81 after 855 miles, and I-81 ended at the Canadian border, about 18 miles from our current location. So from here on to the end of US-11, we won't be running parallel to any interstate highway. It's still raining, and we're still stuck behind this 18-wheeler that kicks up a dirty mist onto the windshield no matter how far we trail behind it. Here we enter the town of DeKalb, which had a population of 2,375 as of the 2020 census. Settlement of the area began in June 1803, led by Judge William Cooper from Cooperstown, New York. The town was officially organized in 1806 from a part of the town of Oswegatchie. DeKalb was one of the original 10 towns in the county. Here we pass along the very edge of the village of Richville. This is a rare instance along US-11 where the highway has been realigned to entirely bypass the populated part of a village. Richville had a population of 234 as of the 2020 census, its lowest population at any census dating back to its earliest record in 1880. The US-11 bypass of the village doesn't seem to be anything new though, as it's visible in aerial images as far back as 1985. Here the concurrency with State Route 812 ends as it departs to the left on its final 22-mile run for the Canadian border. We passed through the Hamlet of DeKalb Junction, which had a population of 485 as of the 2020 census. The village, as well as the town, are named after Baron Johann DeKalb, a French military officer who was born in Germany. He served as a major general in the Continental Army during the American Revolutionary War. As the name suggests, DeKalb Junction originated as a railroad boomtown after the Ogdensburg line of the Rome, Watertown, and Ogdensburg Railroad opened in August of 1862. The railroad set up woodsheds and a machine shop, and the section boss for the division made DeKalb Junction his headquarters. By the 1870 U.S. Census, there were 41 railroad employees living in the hamlet, with half of them staying in hotels or rooming houses. Throughout its history, DeKalb Junction has had at least 6 hotels operating within the community. From the time the railroad arrived until cars and better roads became common after 1910, DeKalb Junction was a key rail hub for St. Lawrence County. We enter the town of Canton, with a population of 11,638 as of the 2020 census. The town is named after the Great Port of Canton in China. The first European settler arrived in the area in 1800. The town was officially organized on May 14, 1805, from a portion of the town of Lisbon. The name Canton was chosen because of the popular interest in trade with China at the time. Canton was one of the original 10 towns in the county. We conclude today's video here at mile 211. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos, as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.